Bebe the Baker, the famous, and we're taking her classes. She's our teacher, Mrs. Bebe. And this is what we're gonna use.
Yeah, I'll show you the cake later on what you guys are gonna design.
Oh,
Decorate today.
good.
Is everybody here? Oh my god. Honestly, I'm so glad that I brought this. It's all the way. You can? Oh wait, no. Today, as you guys know, I am Bebe the Baker. My name is Rebecca, but I've been Bebe for over 20 years now. My family and friends call me Bebe. My niece couldn't say Rebecca, so therefore my name became Bebe. So, I do have your cakes in the fridge. Number 2 tip. And then, just like I did right here, it's just 3 little dots in like a triangle. So you're gonna go dot, 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 or whatever you guys want. All nasty. Here, here's the little one. Everyone's gonna need to wash their hands.
Oh, I think you're supposed to change it. Oh wait.